A client called my office recently after a motorcycle crash on a freeway, and they had hit something that I've been dealing with for years in litigation called a mid-lane elevation change. The highway contractor who had been working on the road had cold planed one side of the road, but not the other. And in between the lanes, there was about a 2.5-inch elevation difference. And so when the motorcycle rider was traversing the lane, he hit the elevation difference, or lip, went down and was seriously injured. We are currently tracking down all the contractor and cold plane company that's doing the work on the highway. We know who they are. We've got pictures of it. And that's really the most important thing that I wanted to remind people is if you are in a crash in a construction zone and there's active highway construction, you must document the scene. Because if you don't, it's a very dynamic scene. It's going to change. Traffic control devices can be moved. The road can be newly paved, and the condition that caused the injury may not exist more than a day or two. You'd be surprised how fast construction zones change. So please, if you've been involved in a vehicle collision or a motorcycle crash or some type of injury related to a construction company that has an active construction on the highway or road, even if it's in a city or a town, you must document. And frankly, you need to call a lawyer as soon as possible, because oftentimes we can get out the same day or the next day and have our experts 3D laser scan the entire scene and preserve that evidence that is so necessary to prove your case. If you have any questions, you know where to find us.